Hello dear students, hello dear learners. So our today's topic is present continuous, as you can see, unit 8. So let's listen to it.
Unit 8, Present Continuous, page 47. Listen and repeat. Then act out.
Waiter, this meat is too hard. Why is that?
The problem isn't the meat, madam. You're cutting the plate.
Okay, we have listened to it. So let's check the grammar. Deməli, present continuous indiki davam edici zamandır. Deməli, bizim təsdiq və inkar formamız var, uzun və qısa formamız var. Düzəldilməsində isə biz to be-nin forması plus ing, yəni to be-nin formaları am, is, are və feilin sonundakı ing artırırıq. I am talking, you are talking, he is talking, she is talking. Negativ formada isə təkcə not əlavə edirik. Feildən əvvəl I am not talking, you are not talking, we are not talking. Okay, we use the present continuous for temporary actions or for actions happening at the time of speaking. Deməli, indiki davam edici zamanı biz hal-hazırda baş verən bir situasiya haqqında deyirik. Məsəl üçün, mən yemək yeyirəm, mən indi yemək yeyirəm. I am eating now. Time expression used with the present continuous. Hansı zaman zərfləri istifadə olunur? Now, at the moment, at present. Now, indi, at the moment, indiki dəqiqədə, hal-hazırda və at present, hal-hazırda. Deməli, spelling deyilişlərinin biraz fərqliliyi var. When verbs end in one stressed vowel between two consonants, we double the consonant and adding ing. Deməli, əgər feildə bir vurğulu sait varsa, iki dənə samitin arasında, onda biz sonuncu samiti ikiliyirik və ing əlavə edirik. Məsələn, swim sözündə swimming, yəni iki dənə m istifadə oldu. Sitting. Amma ki, məsələn, walking, waiting var ki, bunlarda o qayda uyğunluq gəlmir. Look at the spelling of these verbs. Məsəl üçün, lie, lying, write, writing. Yəni, bunlarda biraz kökündən dəyişir. Questions and short sentences. Suallar və qısa cavablar. Am I listening? Are we listening? Is he, she, it listening? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Yes, you are. No, we aren't. Və s. Deməli, növbəti burada keçir digər səhifəyə. Aha. Add ing to the verbs and put them in the correct column. Listen and repeat. Deməli 25-ci dinləmədir. Gəlin dinləyək.
Unit 8, Exercise 1, page 48. Add ing to the verbs and put them in the correct column. Listen and repeat.
Plus ing. Drinking. Playing. Flying. Sleeping. Meeting. Watering. Y plus ing. Lying. Dying. Ing. Making. Shaving. Baking. Taking. Typing. Double consonant plus ing. Hitting. Sitting. Beginning. Cutting. Dropping.
Okay, we
Unit
have
8.
listened to this. Deməli, keçirik ikinci tapşırıq. Complete the sentence. He is feeding the dog. They are reading. It is flying. We are not cleaning the floor. I am not crying. Sonra he is feeding the dog. They are reading. It's flying. We're walking the floor, cleaning the floor. I'm crying. You can also see the right answers from here. Yadımdan çıxmışdı. Bu da həmçinin baxa bilərsiniz. Okay, now write the questions and answers. Is she laughing? No, she isn't. Is she crying? No, she isn't. She is crying. Sonra itə baxır. Is the dog eating? Yes, it is. It is eating. Deməli, şəkillərə baxıb digər qalanlarını da doğru yönləndirmək lazımdır. Okay. Look at the picture and correct the sentences. The man on the rock is eating a sandwich. The man on the rock isn't eating a sandwich. He is fishing. Deməli, şəkillərə baxaraq biz cümlələri düz formada yazmalıyıq. Two boys that are on the beach are reading. So, görürük ki, yes, two boys on the beach aren't reading. They are eating. Bunu görə bilərik. Okay, next one. Look at the pictures and the list of verbs. Then compare the next using the present continuous. Dear diary, it is Sunday, my favorite day of the week. I am sitting in the living room and I look at my big happy family. My mom is drinking tea. My dad is having dinner. The boys are singing with a karaoke machine. Grandmother is sitting to the boys sing. Grandmother is listening to the boys singing, but grandfather is sleeping. The girls are playing a board game. It is very cold outside. It's very cold. It is snowing outside. So we are staying at home tonight. So they're staying at home tonight. It is okay, so because we have lots of fun together. I love big noisy families so much. Also, you can see the right answers from here. Okay, so the next one. Read the email, then choose the right words and write them on the lines. Dear Paulo, here is a picture of my family. I hope you like it. My mother, my sister, and I are making a snowman. My brother Ben is wearing a red hat and a yellow scarf. Ben is putting a black hat on the snowman. We are laughing because the snowman is funny. My mom Julia is standing by the door and she is watching all of us. She is drinking a cup of coffee. My dad John is wearing the snow, is cleaning the snow of the car. We also have two dogs. As you can see, they are playing in the snow. Please send me a photo of your family soon. Also, you can see the right answers from here. Okay, the next one. Listen and repeat.
Unit 8, page 51. Listen and repeat.
My sister usually watches TV in the evening, and I play computer games. It's my sister's birthday today. We're having a party.
Okay, so the present simple and the present continuous fərqləri nədən ibarətdir? Deməli, indiki zamanda biz adət halına alınmış bir hadisələr haqqında danışırıq. Amma indiki davam edici zamanda isə hal-hazırda davam edən, hal-hazırda baş verən situasiyalar əsasında yazırıq. We use the present simple for the permanent state and repeated or habitual actions. Time expression used with the present simple every day, week, month, year, usually, often, always, rarely, never, sometimes, in the morning, evening, afternoon, and at night. We use the present continuous for temporary states or actions or for actions happening at the moment of the speaking. Time expression uses the present continuous now, at present, at the moment, today, tonight. Some verbs are usually only used in the simple tenses. Believe, belong, decide, forget, hate, hear, now, believe, like, love, need, remember, smell, see, think, understand, and want. Deməli, inanmaq, aid olmaq, qərar vermək, yaddan çıxarmaq, deməli, sevməmək, zəhləsi getmək, hear eşitmək, bilmək, daha sonra yaşamaq, xoşlanmaq, sevmək, ehtiyacı olmaq, yadda qalmaq, hiss eləmək, yəni iyi hiss eləmək, görmək, iynəmək, yəni think fikirləşmək, başa düşmək və istəmək kimi feillər simple tense. Yəni indiki zaman formasında olur. The verb have is only used in the simple tenses where it means the possessive. Otherwise, it's used in the continuous tenses as well. Deməli, have əgər kiminsə nəsə aidliyini bildirirsə, onda indiki zaman formasında istifadə olunur. Amma əgər biz hansısa bir işi yerinə yetirdiyimizi göstərirsə, onda biz onu indiki zamanda istifadə edə bilərik. Məsələn, I have two cars at present. Mənim indi 2 dənə maşınım var, aidliyim var, yəni mənə aid olan bir şey var, onu göstərirəm. But she is having a bath now. O indi vanna qəbul edir. Yəni hal-hazırda baş verən bir hadisəni göstərir. Circle the correct form of the verb. My mom is cleaning in the kitchen at the moment. We always do our homework. My friends are playing football now. Julie usually walks to the school. I am wearing my new shirt today. I don't know his name. Ethan loves rock music. I sometimes meet my friends after school. Sarah is working hard these days. Ivan doesn't want to do his homework. This bag is mine. It belongs to me. Okay, you can also see the right answers from here. Okay, so the next one. Read the sentences as in example. She is a pilot. She usually flies a plane. Today she is riding a horse. Yəni usually adətən gördüyümüz işi burada göstərir. Nə ilə məşğul olur? Ancaq bu gün başqa işlə məşğul olduğumuza görə onu da qeyd edirik. So you can see the right answers from here. Okay, next one. Choose a correct item. Look at him. He is riding a horse. He usually plays tennis in the afternoon. What are you doing in the kitchen, Mom? She is having a dinner now. He reads comic books every day. Be quiet, the baby is sleeping. Does he like exercising? Look, the dog is playing with ball. Also, you can see the right answers from here. Okay, next one. Put the verbs in the brackets onto the present simple or present continuous. He often goes to the cinema. It's a habitual action. Okay. They are not watching TV at the moment. It is present continuous because the action is going on. John is outside. He is washing the car. Dad is lying on the sofa now. Claire doesn't like pizza. Are you sleeping early on the weekdays? Do you sleep early on the weekdays? So you can see the right answers from here. So underlines the correct time expression. I go to school every morning. Mm, my parents never go to work on Sundays. I go skiing every winter. I always do my homework. I'm a very good student. I am having an English lesson now. Oh, I have an English lesson now. My parents are working on Saturdays. Oh, sorry, my parents are working at the moment. I watch TV in the evenings. I usually go out with my friends on Sundays. Also, you can see the right answers from here. Okay, the next one, put the verbs in the bracket in the present simple or present continuous. Here I am in the Mykonos, Greece. The weather is fantastic. We are having a wonderful time. At the moment, I am lying by the swimming pool with my brother James. I have sunbays and I am having sunbays and Jim is drinking lemonade. We are sunbathing and uh, we sunbathe and swim every day. At night we usually eat at restaurant and then we dance at one of the fantastic discos on the island. I love it here and I don't want to leave. Love Sally. Also, you can see the right answers from here. So, the next one. So, put the verbs in the bracket into the present simple or present continuous. So, it is very cold today and it is snowing. It always snow here in December. Peter is swimming in the sea now. He likes fish and he loves cold weather. Peter's friend is watching him. Peter always brings his friend a fish. His friend is waiting for his fish. Peter Peter is not cooking fish. He is eating in the sea. This isn't strange because Peter is penguin. So you can see the right answers from here. So that was our last exercise. See you on the next videos.